Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Well, back in episode 1225, I did a refresher on Craft, bringing you up to speed on all of the new features since we last covered the application. At least all of the new features except one, and that's the new Craft AI Assistant. So in this short tip video, I'm going to revisit Craft and explore how the Craft AI Assistant can improve your productivity and enhance your craft experience. So what is this new feature? Well, the AI in the title will give you a clue, as it's an assistant that uses artificial intelligence to, quote, help you write faster, generate ideas, proofread your work, translate text into any language, summarize documents, and find information contained within your craft space in seconds, end quote. Craft AI Assistant is actually a conduit into what is called GPT-3-based artificial intelligence, built right into Craft itself. Now, each time you use the assistant, Craft makes a request to the external GPT-3 system and returns the results directly into Craft. So let's take a look at some of the features of the Craft AI Assistant. So let's start with this document that I used to create a previous show. This is a tip video about multitasking on the iPad, and these are just some background notes that I use as I record the screencast. Now, to invoke the assistant, we can use several different methods. We can either go in and use the standard / key, and you'll see that the assistant is the first entry on the drop-down menu, but you can also use command and return, and that will highlight the document and take it down to the bottom and then pop open the assistant panel. So various things you can do here. You can, as it says, ask it anything or choose an option below. Let's just have a look at some of the options. So for instance, if I wanted to summarize this document in a paragraph or two, all I need to do is basically just hit return, and it will go away and it will analyze the document and then create this summary for me. Now, once I have this summary, I can go ahead, I can copy it, I can share it, or I can insert it in the document. So this is my summary here. Let's take a look at a different option. So again, command and return. I can create an outline. You'll see this document doesn't have any topics or any subjects or headings. Let me just remove those 3 blocks. So this is our summary at the end. But again, command, return, create outline, hit return. It will go ahead and automatically analyze the document and create these various outline points. Now, if you don't do anything with this, if you just click away, that information is lost. So if you do want to save it, make sure that you share it or copy it or paste it into the document. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.